Hello and welcome to my Tecsolt channel. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the most important topics for any programmer, productivity. We'll learn some practical tips that can help you improve your productivity as a programmer and, therefore, be more efficient in your work. The work of a programmer can be very demanding and requires a great deal of time, energy, and concentration. It's important to know how to use the resources available to work more effectively and improve the quality of your work. 1. Set clear goals. It's important to have clear goals in mind before starting any task. This will allow you to focus on what's really important and work more efficiently. To set your goals, think about what you want to achieve at the end of the day, week, or month. 2. Use productivity tools. There are many productivity tools available that can help you manage your time and organize your tasks. Some of these tools include Trello, Asana, and Todoist, among others. Find the tool that best suits your way of working and use it to plan and monitor your tasks. 3. Use keyboard shortcuts. Using keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Instead of moving the mouse cursor through menus to find a function, simply press a combination of keys to perform the task in question. Learning some keyboard shortcuts can save you valuable time and make you more productive. 4. Take regular breaks. It's important to take regular breaks to rest and clear your mind. Working for long hours without breaks can lead to fatigue and exhaustion, which affects your performance and productivity. Therefore, make sure to take a break every now and then to recharge your energy. 5. Learn new programming languages. Learning new programming languages can help you expand your skills and knowledge. This will allow you to tackle new projects and work in different areas, which can improve your career as a programmer. 6. Keep a tidy workspace. Keeping your workspace tidy can help you maintain focus and be more productive. Make sure to have a clean and organized workspace, with the necessary equipment and free of distractions. 7. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are a common enemy of productivity. While some distractions may be unavoidable, such as urgent emails or important phone calls, others can be easily avoided. Turn off unnecessary notifications on your phone and use tools like website blockers to avoid unnecessary distractions during your work. 8. Automate repetitive tasks. Repetitive tasks can be boring and time-consuming. One way to avoid this is to automate repetitive tasks using scripts or macros. This will allow you to spend more time on important and complex tasks. 9. Work in a comfortable environment. Your work environment can have a big impact on your productivity. Make sure to work in a comfortable environment with good lighting, proper temperature, and ergonomic furniture. This will allow you to work more efficiently and avoid physical fatigue. 10. Learn to say no. Sometimes, saying no is the best option. Learning to set boundaries and prioritize tasks can help you better manage your time and energy. Don't commit to tasks that you can't complete in a reasonable amount of time, and learn to delegate tasks when necessary. 11. Establish a routine. Establishing a routine can help you organize your time and increase your productivity. Make sure to dedicate specific time for important tasks and leave room to rest and relax. 12. Maintain a positive attitude. Maintaining a positive attitude can have a big impact on your productivity. Keep an open mind and learn from mistakes. Celebrate your successes and don't give up on challenges. In summary, improving your productivity as a programmer requires constant effort and discipline to implement changes in your daily work habits. With these additional tips, you'll be able to work more efficiently and reach your goals. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tecsolt channel for more videos on technology and programming. See you in the next video.